a large amount of energy is required to heat or cool the water in the air. It is therefore important that we know both what temperature and relative humidity are required in order to calculate how much heating or cooling is taking place. Temperature is the degree or intensity of heat present in a substance. The temperature of an object is directly related to the thermal kinetic energy of its molecules, and therefore is related to heat. Temperature does not indicate how much heat is contained in a substance. For example, a lighted match may be hot enough to burn, but does not contain enough heat energy to boil a kettle of water. The temperature scale in common use today in Australia is the Celsius scale. The scale is divided into 100 equal units called degrees. Water freezes under standard atmospheric pressure at 0 degrees Celsius, and the point at which water boils under standard atmospheric pressure is 100 degrees Celsius. Standard atmospheric pressure is 101 kilopascals at sea level. The Kelvin scale is a scale that uses the same divisions as the Celsius scale. The Kelvin 0 point on the scale is at the temperature at which all molecular movement ceases. That is, when no more heat exists in the body and the temperature cannot be lowered any further. This temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius on the Celsius scale, or 0 degrees Kelvin, and is called absolute zero. Australia uses the metric system to measure. However, some refrigeration systems may use imperial units. It is vital that you know the different scales and conversions. The standard metric unit is Celsius, and the absolute metric unit is Kelvin. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, you add 273. For example, if you want to convert 26 degrees Celsius to kelvins, simply add 273 to 26. This will give you 299 kelvins. To convert kelvins to Celsius, you minus 273. For example, if you want to convert 299 kelvins to degrees Celsius, simply minus 273 from 299. This will give you 26 degrees Celsius. The standard imperial unit is Fahrenheit, and the absolute imperial unit is the Rankine. To convert Fahrenheit to Rankines, you add 459.67. To convert Rankines to Fahrenheit, you minus 459.67. The absolute temperature scale is any thermometric scale on which a reading of 0 coincides with the theoretical absolute zero of temperature. The Fahrenheit scale was used in Australia prior to the introduction of the SI or metric units. Using this scale, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and water will freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit.